Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the most important thing right now in this video, which is the internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, however I recommend to use the Wi-Fi. Then we can enter the Play Store, so let's tap on it. And another disclaimer, if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to follow all of my steps. If not, you really have to do it right now, so you have to either log in or sign up, so create the account. If you don't want to do it here, I highly recommend to check our tutorial of how to add and to remove the Google account in this device. So after adding your account, simply tap on the circle and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps, and all we have to do is to tap on Updates Available in order to check which apps can be updated. If you want to, you can mark all of those apps. If not, you can pick like 2 or 3 different apps to update, and that will be Google Chrome, maybe Google Drive, and maybe also Google Photos. So after marking, simply tap on this update icon next to the trash bin icon. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and the apps will be automatically updated. So right now you do not have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you don't have to wait right here because your device will do it in the background, so you can just turn off this section and do whatever you want. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.